In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up quick text in Salesforce and explore what Salesforce quick text is all about. Quick text is a fantastic feature designed to streamline your communication by allowing you to save pre-written messages. You can reuse these messages across various platforms like emails, chats, tasks, events, and even cases. This not only saves time but also ensures that your responses are consistent and professional. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Salesforce account. This may sound straightforward, but it's the necessary first step to access all the settings you need. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of your dashboard and you'll see the setup icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the setup area, you'll want to use the quick find search bar to locate the specific setting you need. Type in quick text settings in the search bar. This feature is your portal to enabling quick text, so it's essential to find this option first. Once you've accessed the quick text settings, the next step is simple yet crucial. You need to toggle on Enable Quick Text. This might seem like a minor action, but it's what activates the feature, allowing you to start creating and using your pre-written messages across different platforms and scenarios within Salesforce. Don't forget to click Save. This step might be easy to overlook, but it ensures that all your actions are recorded and that quick text is officially activated within your Salesforce account. By saving your changes, you confirm that quick text is ready to assist you in streamlining your communications. To recap, quick text within Salesforce is an incredible tool for anyone looking to enhance their communication efficiency. By using pre-written messages, not only do you save heaps of time by avoiding repetitive typing, but you also maintain a level of consistency across all your client interactions. This consistency is key to professional and cohesive communication. Setting up quick text in Salesforce is a straightforward process once you know where to navigate within the platform. It all starts with logging in and getting yourself to the setup area. From there, it's about finding the quick text settings using the quick find search, toggling the feature on, and ensuring your preferences are saved. In just a few steps, your efficiency in handling communication across the Salesforce platform is significantly boosted. Thank you for joining me in setting up quick text in Salesforce. Embrace this feature to transform how you communicate within your organization, ensuring consistency with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to explore further guides or reach out for more tips on maximizing your Salesforce experience.